Hello, this is Anything Gaming here, and today I'm going to be doing this video on reviewing this. It is called the Cosmic Air Blaster. Probably just some foamy bits with a plastic little gun. It says here, if you cannot see alien planet, they are coming. Only you can help save us. Yeah, it's already open. Well, it's like opening really easily. Poundland. Oh yeah, it is from Poundland. Yes. So extreme all the aliens with your blaster disc gun. Okay. Now let's see the back. You have to be 6. Yeah, you can be 6 or over. Crappy. I think these are for 6-year-olds because friggin' most people, like 10-year-olds, would usually be freaking playing video games. So, yeah. Oh, please don't make a mess on my bed. But yeah, I'm filming this on my bed, by the way. Okay, open it this way just in case. Okay. Now, if I put the cardboard there. Yeah, it's crappy. Really cheapy plastic, but it's not that good plastic. It's pretty bad. So yeah, let me just get the stupid sticker on. Okay, now I'm just gonna show you how it shoots. Crap, did I wreck it? I don't give a crap. So I'm never gonna use it anyway. Hopefully, because. What sad idiot would use this? Sorry if you're watching Sad Idiot. Okay. Crap. No, I didn't ruin it. Put that there. God, we need tape. Okay, now. I could edit this. I'll edit it so will go look that way in a minute. Let me just load this up. Okay. I think this is what you do. Okay. The fun process of doing nothing. Great. Okay. If this doesn't even work, I don't really care because I'm never going to use it anyway. I'm even like stupid skits or something. Okay. What? How does it freaking expect me to put that? Actually, I think it's something it expects to do. Hopefully this will work. Wait, is there any instructions? Warning, do not. It works kind of good, not the best what you'd expect. So yeah, I'll skip ahead until what's it called? What's it called? Oh yeah, till we're looking that way to shoot these cigars. So yeah, skip ahead. So we are looking at this point of view where I'm going to be firing the darts. So yeah, here is the gun. Take that away. Take that away because yeah, that fits. Don't know how. So if I move this back a little bit. Sorry, this is there. That's what I use to put my laptop on when I'm like editing. Cause I do have a desk, but I can't be bothered like bringing it down. Okay, because I sleep up here. Boom, 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 boom. First person shooter style. Boom, 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 boom. So yeah, that was the first person shooter style. Yes, cigars. So I'll skip ahead until like I make a little skit. So yeah, skit time, everybody. Yeah, skit time. Skit time. die anyway. Die, you faggot! Boom, 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 boom. Reload! Reload! Reload the fag! Ah, one bullet will do! Wait, that didn't even work. Do that again. Boom! 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 Ha! Ha! Die, you faggot! Yes, I killed her! So yeah, guys, this was the crappy, well, not crappy gun, the pretty good gun from Land review. So yeah, guys, that was pretty cool. I like the Skitter did. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a freaking